Gardeners know patience, but what if you could turn kitchen scraps into plant food in just weeks? Fermentation is a fast, clean way to make liquid gold for your plants. No big compost heap needed. Just seal your scraps, let microbes work, and pour the nutrient-rich liquid onto your garden. It's simple, quick, and your plants will thrive. Traditional composting is slow, relying on oxygen and months of decomposition to create rich humus. Fermentation, by contrast, is anaerobic, no oxygen needed. By sealing scraps in an airtight container, beneficial microbes quickly break them down, releasing nutrients into a liquid form. This process preserves more nutrients, especially nitrogen, and works in just weeks. Composting yields a slow-release solid soil conditioner. Fermentation gives you a fast-acting liquid fertilizer and a pre-digested solid residue. The liquid feeds plants instantly. The solids enrich soil or speed up your compost pile. It's a rapid, efficient way to recycle kitchen waste. Let's see what you need to get started. Getting started with fermenting your kitchen scraps is simple, and you only need a handful of basic supplies to begin. With just a few items, you'll be well on your way to turning food waste into something valuable for your garden. First, you'll need a sturdy bucket with a tight-fitting lid. About 5 gallons is ideal for most households. This helps keep odors in and pests out, making the process clean and easy. If your bucket has a spigot at the bottom, draining the nutrient-rich liquid, often called bokashi tea, becomes much more convenient. But don't worry if it doesn't, this feature is helpful, but not essential. Next, collect raw fruit and vegetable scraps from your kitchen. Be sure to avoid adding meat, dairy, or oily foods, as these can disrupt the fermentation process and attract unwanted pests. Chop your scraps into small pieces. This increases the surface area and helps them ferment more quickly and evenly, speeding up the entire process. The most important ingredient is a fermentation starter such as Bokashi bran. This special mix of beneficial microbes can be purchased online or at most garden centers, and it's what makes the magic happen. Sprinkle a small amount of Bokashi bran over each layer of scraps you add to the bucket. This ensures that every bit of food waste gets inoculated with the helpful microbes. You'll also need non-chlorinated water to keep the microbes healthy and active. If you only have tap water, just let it sit out for a day to allow the chlorine to evaporate before using it. So, to recap, you'll need a bucket, kitchen scraps, a fermentation starter like Bokashi bran, and some non-chlorinated water. That's all it takes to get started. With these simple supplies, you're ready to transform your food waste into powerful homemade liquid plant food for your garden. Layer your kitchen scraps in a bucket, pressing down and sprinkling Bokashi bran as you go. Once full, add water, weigh down the scraps, and seal tightly. After 3 weeks, your scraps are fermented and ready. Dilute the liquid to feed your plants. Add the solids to your soil or compost. Watch your garden thrive with this simple, natural fertilizer.